Hi guys, I'm teacher. My name is Sebastián Calderón Vergara. I will present the article that high investigation. Introduction. The ascendancy of LVP among nursing staff in developing countries is as because nurses are engaged in physical work such as lifting and moving the patient. Among nursing in is 25%, there are problems to procuring nursing care of the patient. Risk factors for LVP in sources include sex, age, and Body Mass Index (BMI). Previous research found the prevalence of LVP is higher in women than in men. Middle-aged nurses whose BMI falls into the overweight category are also more prone to LVP. A study at Hospital of Nurses affected be 25-29 years old. Objective: to identify the correlation between nuisance supervision and low back pain (LVP) preventive behavior among nursing staff the hospital. Methodology: this research uses a described quantitative method which cross-sectional design responses consisted of 141 nursing staff working and inpatient care facilities and outpatient care units of the non-psychiatric department. Data were obtained by district question and identify the characteristics of nursing and explore their percentage on the nursing supervision programs and LVP prevention. Results: indicated that there is significant correlation between supervision and LVP prevention. Behavior among nursing staff the hospital by very analysis shows that there is not significant correlation between respondent characteristics sex, age, body mass index, BMI, and self-efficacy and LVP prevention behavior. Conclusion: the result of this research may serve as recommendation for more LVP prevention behavior among nursing staff through rigorous nursing prevention. My opinion: said in the article that women are more prone to low back pain, but the study that women are more hardworking and love their profession more than men. Thank you.